Long, long ago, in a green country called England, there was a big, beautiful forest. It was called Sherwood Forest. Sunlight peeked through the tall trees, and birds sang sweet songs. But outside of the forest, things were not always happy. England was ruled by a bad prince, Prince John, and his friends, like the mean sheriff of Nottingham. These powerful men took too much money from the poor people. They made life very hard for families who had little to eat. It just wasn't fair. That's where our hero, Robin Hood, comes in. Robin was a kind and brave man. He was also an amazing archer. He could shoot an arrow straight to a target a long way off. He saw how unfair things were, and he decided he had to do something. So, Robin went to live deep in Sherwood Forest. He became an outlaw, which means he was outside the law, but for a good reason. Soon, other brave men joined him. These were his merry men. There was big, strong Little John, who was very tall. There was Friar Tuck, a jolly monk who loved a good laugh. And there was Will Scarlet, handsome and quick. They all believed in Robin. What did Robin Hood and his merry men do? Well, they had a special rule: they stole from the rich to give to the poor. Imagine this: a very rich, grumpy merchant comes riding through the forest with carts full of gold and fancy things. Robin Hood and his men would stop him. They would politely, but firmly, take some of his gold. Then, they wouldn't keep it for themselves. Oh no! They would go to a small village where families were hungry and sick. They would give the gold and food to them. The poor people cheered for Robin Hood. The sheriff of Nottingham hated Robin Hood. He tried many times to catch him. He sent his soldiers into the forest, but Robin was too clever. He knew every path, every hiding spot among the trees. The sheriff's men often found themselves lost or confused, while Robin and his merry men laughed from a safe distance. Robin also loved a beautiful lady named Maid Marian. She was kind and smart, and she often helped him in his plans. Sometimes, she even disguised herself to bring secret messages or to warn Robin when danger was close. But the fight against the sheriff and Prince John was never easy. There were times when Robin was almost caught, and times when the merry men had to hide for days. Yet, they never gave up, because they knew the people of England needed hope. At last, news came that King Richard, the true King of England, returned from the Crusades. Unlike Prince John, Richard was fair and just. He heard of Robin Hood's brave deeds and forgave him for breaking the law. Instead of being hunted, Robin was honored as a hero. Robin Hood stood for fairness and kindness. He showed everyone that even one group of brave people could stand up to powerful, mean rulers. He brought smiles and hope to those who had none. And so, the legend of Robin Hood lives on. A hero of the people, who taught us that helping others, especially when things are unfair, is one of the bravest things you can do. He truly was a good man, with a big heart and a very steady aim. Alright, here are 10 daily use sentences for you to practice. It just wasn't fair. Meaning, something is not right or not equal. He decided he had to do something. Meaning, he made up his mind to take action. They all believed in Robin. Meaning, they trusted and supported him. They would politely but firmly take some of his gold. Meaning, they asked in a nice way, but strongly, not allowing refusal. The poor people cheered for Robin Hood. Meaning, the people shouted with joy and happiness for him. He knew every path and every hiding spot. Meaning, he was very familiar with the forest and its secret places. Sometimes, she even disguised herself. Meaning, she changed her appearance so people would not recognize her. They never gave up, because the people needed hope. Meaning, they continued fighting, because others depended on them. He forgave him for breaking the law. Meaning, he did not punish him, even though he made mistakes. He stood for fairness and kindness. Meaning, he supported justice and being good to others. I hope you liked the story. Which new sentence or word did you learn today? Drop it in the comments. And please do like, share or subscribe for more amazing stories. See you in the next video.